So boom, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So today, to kick off the video, we're going to be installing some JDM car parts. So first of all, we got something from Type S. I think I already know what this is, but we'll save that for later. We got some JDM Tsurikawa. Sorry if I said it wrong, but I'm not too sure which one I'm going to be installing today, either the ring or the hut. But yeah, let's pull the car in and then we can get started. Alright, so let's install these JDM handlebars first. So I'm not too sure where I'm actually going to hook it on because there's not much room in the S2K. People usually hang it off, you know, this bit right here, but like I said, for the S2K there's not much room, so not too sure how I'm going to hang it. I could hang it maybe somewhere here, but then I really want it to be right here instead of the side, so I'm going to figure it out and then I'll catch you guys. And guys, what do you reckon? Original ring or heart? I'm not too sure. And also, hopefully the black and purple suits the car. I was gonna get red, but I thought it would be too bright. But then when I looked at like other people's one, the red wasn't too bright, so I kind of regret not going red, but this will do for now. So we're gonna use the cable tie, try and loop it through, and then loop this shit through and try and hide the cable tie. So I think this will work, just hopefully it's on straight and not on an angle, so yeah. Now we got this mother sucker, look at this. Ready? Fast. AG, I'm gonna add another, what is it, 20 horsepower?
Isn't it 20 kilowatts?
Oh, kilowatts, yeah.
Jank as well.
Jank. Alright guys, just finished installing it. Check this out. Check out this ghetto ass job. You know, cable tie to loop around here, then another piece of cable tie, and that's how it looked. But yeah, so let's have a suss with the outside. Alright guys, so here it is. Hopefully you guys can kind of see it better in the garage, but you can't really see it in real life. Like you can notice it's there, but it's not 100%. So obviously it's not as good as the white one, but it's in there. Oh shit, wait, when you come out close, it's lit. Oh, but from far, yeah, you can't really see it. And now, like I said, you know, Type S gave us something, and I think I already know what it is, but I don't know what it is. We're gonna unwrap it and then install it and probably cut those little trees off. Alright guys, so as you can see, my little trees collection. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little trees and 2 other ones. So I cut the little trees, you know. You know how long it took me to collect these, bro? Fucking 3 days, bro, because they run out so quick. But it's like when you grow your pubes so long and they're like, you know, your boyfriend's like, oh, you gotta cut it, bro. No. Please.
Nah, fuck that. We don't need this.
Yeah. Alright. So like I said, I know what Type S got me, but I don't know what, because I know it's an air freshener, but I don't know which type. So let's
maybe it's the dildo one.
Yeah. Bro, you can't even spell his name, bro. Look, Type Chest with an ST. What the fuck? Type Chest. Alright, let's go. Oh shit. Seiji! Alright, Dream Wheels!
What? Finally got some works!
Yeah. Oh, let's clickbait. I got some works.
New wheels for the SCK.
Oh, it smells like vanilla. But smell it, guys. Oh, you like that shit? And look at this one, guys. Alright, man, we gotta go tonight. Milk tea,
Ooh, no, I like Starbucks.
What? Starbucks?
Oh, I mean, yeah, milk tea.
Milk tea! Fire! Alright, get in, guys. Let's go for a test drive. We're gonna test it out.
3 likes and we do a giveaway.
And also, guys, one last thing. What we're gonna attempt to do today is try and put this fender liner or fender guard back in. So as you can see, it's hella dropped and it kind of tore right here. Alright guys, so as you can see here, look at this destroyed. So I'm not that low, but it's just that because once it fell on and I never fixed it for a while, it just kept rubbing and you know, it splits. Yeah. Alright guys, so we just finished doing the fender lining. Check that out. It looks like it didn't even come off, yeah? Wow, that's A1 stats, brother. Yeet. Damn. Wait, what? BM1 in the S2K?
It's been a good 3 months.
3 months. Start her up. Oi, gee. Clean.
This is a joke for the older folk.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck. Fuck. Bro. Who thinks BM1 should get an S2K? Ooh. Fuck. S2K looking sick ass today. Say G1 with the new exhaust. Damn. Check out those tips. Woo. But damn. Say G BM1.
Back in the area, baby.
Yeah, yeah. Back from Wangaratta. Whoop, whoop. And also guys, you guys know we installed the new air freshener. So you know what? We're gonna go test it out by going for a test drive. So let's go test out the new air freshener. Damn. The new air freshener smells so good. Whoop, whoop. And down, check that out. Damn, ooh, hella sick. Also guys, the new air freshener is A1, so shout out to Hank. Can't wait to put on the milk tea one as well. The air freshener is smelling good, and bro, from this test drive, I already can tell you it's 100 times way better. So shout out to Type S Champ. Alright guys, so we just got to the school, you know, where the rest of the boys are, and check out the lineup today. Okay, so we got BM1 in the house. We got my MX-5. Tyson's Mazda RX-7 FC. And DJ's AMG C63. Damn, clean. Woo! No, explain what you're doing. Oh.
Pussy. The pussy roll. Yeah.
Oh, you do it then. Seiji, dessert by night.
What's on the menu today, boys?
I don't know, I might get this caramel and chocolate zone. Looks
I
lit.
recommend the creme brulee. Shit.
For you, babe. Or I might get
The creme brulee.
red velvet waffles.
Nah, get wedges, bro.
Huh?
Get wedges.
Nah.
The wedges are Mickey here.
Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I know I dragged this video on and there wasn't much, but guys, I added easy 20 kilowatts to the car as you saw, added the JDM handlebars and also added the air freshener from Type S. Guys, don't forget to give this video a fat like PHAT. And guys, do you reckon I should start fixing the hardtop? So just remember, if you guys remember, I bought this cheap $100 hardtop and you know, there is a few cracks, so that's what I mean by fixing it. And do you guys reckon I should start this the next video or in a few videos? Who knows, if you're lucky it'll be the next video. If not, you gotta wait a few videos. I'm kind of keen to actually fix this, so if you're lucky I'll fix it in the next video, if not in the next few videos. So guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Make sure to give this video a fat like PHAT and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters.
Let me pick up the trees. I need this back.